Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this amazing Methi Pulao. It's healthy, yummy and tasty. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the main thing that we'll be needing are these sprouted methi seeds, and you can follow any standard sprouting procedure for this. And for rice, I have taken this basmati rice. The proportion should be like 1:1, basically the ratio. So if I've taken 1 cup of fenugreek seeds, then I'll take 1 cup of rice. And now coming to veggies, I have taken 2 onions, 1 tomato, 1 capsicum, 1 carrot and 1 beetroot. You can add absolutely whatever you want and have available with you at the moment. And I have also taken some green peas, which I have kept in the water to thaw them out because I had frozen it. And basically that is how I defreeze them. And I've also taken 1 potato, and you'll also be needing some coriander and about 1 cup of grated coconut. These are the star ingredients of our pulao basically. And I'm also gonna add some cashews here. You can keep some for garnishing as well. So I'm gonna start with some homemade ghee. I've taken about 5-6 spoons of it here, and once it's hot enough, I'm gonna add my mustard seeds and a little bit of jeera in it. And once the mustard seeds start popping, I'm gonna add all the spices. I'm gonna start with hing powder, and then I'm gonna add some green chili paste, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of turmeric, about half a spoon, and I'm gonna add some curry leaves now. Then I'm gonna add my fenugreek seeds or methi seeds and mix it all well. And to this I'm gonna start adding my vegetables. First I'm gonna start with onion and saute it for a bit. And then I'm going to add rest of the vegetables one by one except for tomato. Tomato I'm gonna put it in the last. So a little bit about this recipe. This is actually my Nani's recipe, and she used to make this a lot, and a lot of people have tasted this and they are a fan of this recipe and they like how she used to make it. So my mom actually learned it from her, and then we started modifying it a little bit according to our taste. But this is still one of my best comfort food ever with some hot curry. So coming back to the recipe, I have kept about 3-4 cups of water to boil separately. So lastly, I'm gonna add my tomato and cashews and also my grated coconut and coriander and mix it really well. So after all of the ingredients are mixed well, I add my rice. I have just washed it like 3-4 times and then I've added it to the mixture basically. So by now our water has also boiled. I'm gonna add that here and make sure that the level of water is a little bit above the level of rice. I hope you know what I mean. So basically the vegetables and rice can cook. After adding the water, I'm gonna add about 2 spoons of salt in it, and according to your taste you can add how much of a salt you want. And I'm gonna mix it really nicely, and then I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna let it cook for about 15 minutes. I can't even tell you how amazing it smells. Oh my god, once it's getting cooked. Then after that you can serve it and enjoy it. This amazing plating has been done by my mother. And I love to have this pulao with curry, as I had mentioned. It tastes amazing. You can also have it with some achar and papad. It is like the perfect comfort food for dinner. So that's the video guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I shall see you in the next video. Bye.